Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for all of those who don't know me, I'm a tarot reader and I've been doing this from the last 5 years. I know I speak very fast, but you can reduce the speed because I cannot. I just cannot. But okay. Today we are saying what are your person's thoughts and feelings for you and probably at the next action. Two pile reading. Pile 1 is this. Pile 2 is this. Black and blue. Black and blue. Pile 1. Okay. Let's see your person's current feelings for you. The person's current. A card fell down, but okay. So your person, let me grab the card which fell down first. Your person sees you as someone who is very nurturing, who is very stable, who's very earthy. One of you can be the earth sign, okay? Who's very grounded, like very connected to roots, okay? Second thing is your person thinks that you are suffering because of them, but you are probably not showing it to everyone and you're suffering in silence, which kills something inside your person. Like they feel like they have done some kind of blunder and they have been not very nice to you. This is what they are thinking. Okay, let's see what can be their next move. I'm keeping this reading very short because I want to if you want a long reading, do let me know. Let's see their next move. Okay, another card fell down. Give me a minute. Yes, so as for now, your person is very confused as to what to do, what not to. Should they approach you? Should they not? Let's see. Oh, your person will try to get some kind of information of yours from someone. If you have a common friend, from that friend. If you have some kind of open account, from that account, like stalking energy is there, trying to get your information is from there. And if they get that you are waiting for them, he might approach. And if he gets no information or something, like no clue of what you're up to and what you are doing, that person will like hold themselves, okay, and not contact you for now. People who selected this, let's see what is your person thinking about you. Your person thinks you are like quite loyal, okay, and your person wants to come running towards you, but your person thinks that this is not who they are. This will not suit their image. This will not suit the kind of person they are. Like, what, like, will I go like running towards someone? Is it really who I am? So there is some kind of ego factor here, but your person really adores you. Your person thinks that you're waiting for them. Your person knows that you are very nurturing, and if your person comes towards you, you will nurture them, okay? But the ego card is a little weird here. Okay, let's see their next action or move. Next action or move towards you. Okay, so your person will process whatever happened. Your person will try to understand you, but they themselves might come with a lot of baggage of their things. So, do not expect them to come towards you very lovey dovey. They can be lovey dovey, but it will be more of like them sharing their burdens. And after you both are done with sharing your burdens, your person will want to change the scenario. Like if it's on and off, your person will want to convert it into on. If it's just talking stage, they would want to convert it into a commitment. If it's commitment, they would want to convert it into a marriage or something like that. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope it resonates, and if it does, do let me know in the comments. Thank you.